Hey guys, Nolan here. We're gonna be kayaking Valen's Lake today. So, boat launch just behind us there. I think you can rent there. It looks, says weekends only, weather permitting. Doesn't sound particularly promising. We're gonna go left first because that seems where all the interesting stuff is. And if we feel like it, we'll go to the right where it kind of looks boring. But worst case, we'll go that way. We'll come back around this little island here. But yeah, we're just kind of out yakking. Hiked here just before this, so I'm a little tired. Not too hot out today, but sun is strong. Okay, gonna be a short clip to finish us off. There's another little lookout right there. I'm sure there's much more stuff around too. Okay, there might be another boardwalk over there. I think I saw another boardwalk the other spot. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's trails that go almost the entire way around the lake at least, if not all the way. So, pretty cool spot. Also, are these not, I assume those are all chains to the ground or something, those kayaks and canoes. Because I mean, otherwise somebody could just take them. Not really much of a rental, right? But oh yeah, she's shallow here. So yeah, we're just gonna head back over there. I'm gonna end it because there's lots of people over there. But yeah, there's Valen's Lake. Sorry for all the wind going in there right now.